Hello, it's Trickneer here. I'm going to be teaching you how to play the Cars 2 pretty much theme song on guitar. I'm going to teach you how to play that. I have my notes just over here. This is really shitty guitar, but it still sounds good because it's copper strings, and everything sounds good in copper strings. So, you want to do... The way I'm going to be explaining how to do this is with frets. This is a one stringed, well, two strings technically, but only two strings for like a second. So, when I say oh, that means just no fret. If I say a 3, that means 3rd fret, 5th fret, so on and so forth. So, first string, 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 5. Second string, same thing. Then you want to go O, so it's and then stay on the 5th fret. It's fuck, I messed that up. Everybody messes up sometimes. It's fine. So, it's 0, 3, 5, second string, 0, 3, 5, 0, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 0, 4, 3. Yeah, so it's 0, 5, 0, 3, 5, second string, 0, 3, 5, 0, 5, 4, 5, 5, 4, 0, 4, 0, 3. So that's the end. Fuck. So the end is just 0, 3, 0, 0, 4, 0, 3. So it's so you want to transition from the 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4 to doing 0, 4, 0, 3. Fuck, sorry. See, I mess it up a lot too, but I just taught myself this, and this is the simplest way I can teach it. My friend wanted me to learn it, and I'm like, I'll give it a try. And I was just fucking around, and I'm like, wait, that's the ba-dum-bum, the do-do-do, do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Also, sorry this video is kind of shitty quality. I can't really help that too much. Sorry. But you should still be able to learn it. It doesn't really matter, the quality. So it's 0, 3, 5. Second string, 0, 3, 5. 0, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4. 0, 4, 0, 3. And that's how you do it. That's how you play the Finn McMissile theme from Cars 2. There you go.